Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to see the live trading session, and today I'm really so very happy because most of the person who had learned this trend analysis were able to guess the trend correctly today. Most of them were able to guess that it was a ranging market, and we took a ranging market situation today, and it is, you can say, one among the success, the most happiest moment for everyone, even for me, because everyone guessed it right that it was a ranging market, and now we are in a situation to guess whether it is trending or ranging. So once this is done, then almost 90% of your duty is done. We just have to identify if a stock is trending or if a stock is ranging. I'm really happy that my videos have been helpful for everyone, because everyone, those who have learned the trend analysis, are able to look into the videos and correct themselves and make all the corrections, and are able to guess the market correctly, take the trades correctly. Okay, so the code for today's trading is: successful traders always follow the line of least resistance. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. This 60 days campaign is also all about this quote. We are following the trend. We are identifying the trend. We are following the line of least resistance. Okay, this is the reason why you can see that our accuracy levels also are very high, almost 80% accuracy, and almost all of those who have taken up the course are able to get this kind of accuracy. That is the best part and the simplicity of this strategy. It's very easy, very simple. There's nothing much you have to do. Just identify the correct stock as I have taught you, identify the trend as I have taught you, and then just place your trades, and then forget, don't even have to look into your screen again and again. That's it. Okay friends, so without wasting much time, let us get into today's live trading video. And today, as everyone knows, the stock was Kotak Bank, because there was huge movement. You can see that it had a very gap down, a huge movement, and then by the movement of the candle itself we can identify that the stock is in a ranging phase, and almost everybody got guessed it correctly. All the parameters which we had kept proved that the stock was in a ranging phase. So accordingly we took trade for a ranging trade today. So let us just see what happened. So we are selling at the high price, and let us calculate the target and stop losses. That is 0.6% is the target which we are taking. Okay, 124 into 0.6%, it comes to 7.4, and we'll be keeping a stop loss of 0.4, that is coming up to 5. Okay, so accordingly we have to calculate the quantities also. That is, we're trading for a loss of 1000 rupees, so 1000 divided by 5, it comes to 200 rupees, sorry, 200 quantity. So we have placed the sell order. Now we have to place the buy order. Buy order is 1236, the same target and the same stop loss and the same quantity. Okay, so this is how you can see that both orders are placed. Both the orders are open orders. It is not trigger pending order, because we have kept opposite kind of order. In a ranging market, this is what we do. We either decide whether we don't take out the breakouts, we decide in the break-ins. That is, it will go touch the high and it will come back. That is what we are guessing. And we are not going to place either one direction, we are going to place in both the directions, so that whichever triggers first we will be trading. So this was the trade for today, and by end of the day we can see that we got profit of 828, because it was a ranging market. It did not go and hit our levels, it was ranging. Okay, so let us quickly update into the Excel sheet. So day 13, the stock was Kotak Bank, and profit is 828, which is not bad enough. Okay, so you can see that we completed 13 days, and a profit of 8253, with the capital of investment of 50,000. So which is good enough, not a bad amount. And the best part is the accuracy. Okay, so you can see that almost we are having an accuracy of 80%, and this is good enough for trading. And also, if we continue the same journey, we'll be able to make very good returns every month. Okay friends, so hope this live trading video has been helpful to you all. And friends, the trading platform which I used is Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, or also I'm introducing a new broker, 5 Paisa. So in case if you want to use Upstock or 5 Paisa, you can use the link which I provided in the description of this video. And in case if you join Upstock or 5 Paisa with my link, then you'll be getting 50% discount on my trainings. And if you want to know what are the trainings provided by me, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also, in case if you want to join the 60 days campaign by learning this new trend analysis, then you can just inquire with me. You can just WhatsApp on my number and then inquire. I'll send you the details. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.